Click the red button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then click the bell notification to get notified when we upload the new video.
Climb into Igalo's house. See, they've climbed into Igalo's
Look at
house.
it. There's one person at Igalo's house already right
See,
now. That's
Burna
Igalo's
Boy's
house.
house.
There's somebody
Jesus.
there already.
Jesus, they've gone to Burna Boy's house. Jesus, they're on our fence.
Oh my
Jesus.
God. Can you guys see them? Can you guys see them down there?
Jesus, can you guys climb into Igalo's house?
We see Nigeria, see what they are causing. See, they are releasing fire. They are releasing fire. Releasing fire. This is Lekki Toll Gate. This is Lekki Toll Gate. Soldiers have been sent down here. This is Lekki Toll Gate. Shooting at the Protestants. Shooting at the Protestants. This is Lekki Toll Gate. We need help here. We need help here. Protesters are still on the ground.
Exactly, know where I am now. They were shooting at us straight bullet like those soldiers. They were shooting at us in toll gates where I am. They were shooting at us straight bullet. See, if you know you have any contact of my family member, please just call. Okay, we'll go. Guys, don't contact my mommy.
My people now well done. Now verse I did verse as they talk this one so. The video one on the look so. Now our people are politicians. Our money when they hide 9 videos. Use them or use them. Spend and not spend them. They hide them from different places. Rapper for Ghana must go back. Use cloth wrapper. Put some for inside cupboard. None of the money they carry use. People there they hungry. They die for hospital because they don't feel pay money for operation. So not fit eat, they not fit send their children to school. Now one human being hide all this plenty money for one corner when we say money set you not use it. The money set it don't decay, it don't spoil. Wait till they do us. Now wait till they do us when all this nonsense won't stop. This is so painful and sad. When all this nonsense won't stop, when we say our leaders, our politicians, when we say now we vote them put for there, it don't turn to another thing. It be like say no other job for Nigeria at all nowadays. The only job where they Nigeria now to be a politician. Even the ones when just they finish school, when just they graduate from university, they won't be politician. No job at all. This is so shameful. This is so annoying. Which kind of thing is who do us this one? Which kind of cost be this one? This one are money where politicians, our leaders, them loot when they hide. Use them, not use them. Whoever do this one, when we say now he hide this money, when we say people die, man die, woman die, children die. People not feel it. Sickness kill people. And somebody keep this money for one corner when they say he not let people see use, he not give people, even if he not feel use them. The person when do this kind of thing, peace he not go get to. Even if he go in grave, peace he still not get because this money will solve a lot of problems for people. I just say make una see waiting our politicians, make una see waiting people when don't loot Nigerians don't turn to. Now waiting that they do be this one. And as we see the talk, so some people still get for house or when we say they don't hide though, they never fear, never let them put them for banco because right now they monitor people when get money for account. They don't hide money for houses, for their various houses. Even bush and farm, they don't hide money. They can see the evidence. Let them be this. Now wait till I say make I come show now this. This is so shameful. I beg make una share this video where make it go viral, make people know what they go on. Okay? Una well done, my people. Una do well. I did verse. Better verse.